5 must-have medicinal plants for your home. Natural and powerful. Have you ever thought about having a natural pharmacy right in your home? Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful medicinal plants that boost immunity, relieve pain, and improve mood. Stay until the end because the last one is a true wellness secret. Warning. This video is for informational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any treatment. Turmeric. The natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories out there. It improves digestion, protects joints, and supports brain function. To boost its benefits, always combine it with black pepper. Chamomile. The natural relaxant. If you struggle with anxiety or insomnia, chamomile might be the answer. It relaxes the body, improves sleep, and even aids digestion. A cup before bed makes all the difference. Ginger. Digestion and immunity. Ginger is amazing for boosting immunity and improving digestion. It also relieves nausea and speeds up metabolism. You can consume it as tea, fresh, or in supplement form. Mint. Digestion and mental focus. If you have digestive issues or need an energy boost, mint is perfect. It improves breathing, relieves headaches, and enhances concentration. Ashwagandha. The longevity tonic. Ashwagandha is an incredible adaptogen that helps reduce stress and increase energy. It enhances emotional balance and provides greater mental and physical resilience. Which of these plants do you already use in your daily life? Comment below. And if you want more health tips, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos.